Welcome to Minnie Adventures, guys. We're about to go on a 2-week road trip on camping. We're going to hit the road, see some sights, go all the way up to Canada. We're going to go through California, probably Nevada, Idaho, Oregon, Washington State, of course. And we're not taking the Beast. I bought a Econoline van, and we're going to do a van build. So I'm going to show you guys inside right now what it looks like. So the big plan is we're going to put solar, cargo rack, and we're going to put a bed back here, refrigerator, a jackery system. We're going to hook this thing up, and I'll film it as I build it, and we'll let you guys take a peek at that. This is what it looks like. Plain Jane. Look at the door. It has roll-up windows. So she's nothing fancy, but we're going to make her cool. Anyways, we'll take some video, and we'll show you how we build this van. It's going to be pretty simple, nothing too fancy. And then we're going to get this thing on the road in a couple of weeks. Right now, it's the end of July. It's hot as piss. And we're going to wait till it cools off before we go. So, all right, stay tuned. All right, guys, we got the wheels and tires on the van. Now we're going to start doing the van build. Tore everything out inside. We've got this cabinet taped off, and we're going to paint it. I had to modify this door when I put these tires and rims on here. I couldn't open the door. Had no idea. So anyway, we took care of that. I'm going to paint this, and we're going to clean this all up and start doing the framing for the bed. We cleared out the van, and I'm going to put I'm going to frame out a bed in here. We already cut back the cabinet, so I'm going to have to do a final finish on this. But we're going to take this and turn it into a bed. All right. What?
What are you putting up there?
The awning. Go ahead and drink beer in the shade.
Gotcha.
That looks cool, huh? Oh, shit. That's pretty cool. Man, that's crazy, dude. All right, guys, the last part of the van build, I'm going to install this ladder on the side of the van so I can access the rack. So we got our new ladder, we got all the parts right here. Just got to put together. It's not really designed for this van, but we're gonna make it happen, so stay tuned. All right, guys, I grabbed this piece of metal from work. It's a nice piece of thick aluminum. I cut it down, I painted it, so I'm gonna attach the ladder to this. Give us something to hang on. Hey guys, all right, we got this van done finally. Took a few bucks, a little bit of work, and I'm gonna show you around it. The first thing we did is we got the rims and tires, and then we actually worked worked on the inside. So there was nothing back here, but this table went all the way across. And we removed everything, gutted it, and then we built this bed. We got storage under the bed. We got our little battery system set up for the solar. This is an RV mattress. This is a full-size queen mattress, RV size. So it's not quite as big as your one at home. We put in all these little shelves, put a TV in, gotta have that. Got the cooler that goes in, plugs into your solar, or you can plug it into your truck, or if you're at a campsite you can plug it into electricity if they have it. This cabinet came with the van. I like it because the drawers actually lock into place, and you have a little latch system right here. So we got all these magnets for the paper towel. It's a little shelf. Those are pretty powerful, actually. I was impressed. I got these weren't so rugged and strong, so I had to screw them on. So it's not a big deal. Anyway, let's show you on the inside. It's pretty clean. We added this. And of course, Minnie's got to have a place to ride, so this is her ride right here. We added some more shelves up here. It came with this. This metal backing. So it wasn't a family van. It was definitely a government van. That's my guess. Anyway. So anyway, back here you can see that there's more storage. Right here, it actually goes all the way through, but you probably can't see that. And then we needed more storage. So I got this rack, added the solar, the toolboxes, cargo rack, and of course a ladder to get to everything. Actually, to get to the toolboxes, I had an old 4-foot ladder in my garage, so I just painted it up, and that will fit up on top of the rack. So that'll work out perfect. And then I installed this awning. This is a pretty cool little awning. It's easy to set up. Let's see. Oh yeah, I added these LED headlights. They're really nice. I painted the bumpers, painted the grill. That's pretty much it. It cost a few bucks, but she's cheaper than going out and buying one ready to go. So we'll catch you on the trip. We're going to take a trip up to Washington State. So we're going to be gone for like 9 or 10 days. So we'll film that and we'll catch you guys on the road. Take care, guys.